Good morning. It's fantastic to be here. We're entering this new era where computers not only understand us, but can actually anticipate what we want and our intents. For us, this platform shift starts with Microsoft CoPilot. CoPilot is your everyday AI companion. It puts knowledge and expertise at your fingertips and help you act on it. It works across devices, every role, every function, in every industry. CoPilot is empowering every person and every organization on the planet to be more knowledgeable, more productive, more creative, and really be more connected to everything that matters to all of us. We're going beyond the cloud to the device, removing those fundamental constraints of power and space, reducing latency, ensuring privacy. We believe AI will be distributed. The richest AI experiences will harness the power of the cloud and the edge, working together in concert. This, in turn, will lead to a new category of devices that turn the world itself into a prompt. Devices that can instantly see us, hear, reason about our intent and our surroundings. We are introducing an entirely new class of Windows PCs engineered to unleash the power of distributed AI across the edge and cloud. We call this new category CoPilot PCs. We're adding AI as a first-class namespace on Windows, so that means every developer can take advantage of it. The new Windows CoPilot runtime that we are announcing today will be to AI. And as you will see shortly, developers are already leveraging this to build groundbreaking experiences.
Good morning, everybody. Great to see you all. We brought CoPilot to your Windows desktop and to your keyboard with the CoPilot key. We estimate over 50 million AI PCs will be purchased just in the next 12 months alone. We've made a huge leap forward in technical capability to usher in this new category. And even with all this power, these new PCs are unbelievably thin, light, and beautiful. First, they are the most powerful Windows PCs ever built. Second, they give you access to the most advanced AI available with Microsoft CoPilot. And finally, they're going to introduce all new productivity, creativity, and communication capabilities that I think of literally as superpowers. Let's start first by talking about performance. CoPilot PCs introduce a new systems architecture powered by the CPU, GPU, and an all-new NPU running at an incredible 40 trillion operations per second. 40 trillion. We also completely re-architected Windows 11 on a new minimum hardware configuration to optimize performance and battery. The result? CoPilot PCs are the fastest Windows PCs ever built. And if we wanted to do a comparison, they're 58% faster than the most advanced MacBook Air with the M3 processor. And all of that with a battery that can last all day. All right, next, we talked about Microsoft CoPilot. We've updated Microsoft CoPilot, your everyday AI companion, by reimagining what CoPilot can do on Windows. Let's take a look. It's going to be easier than ever to call on CoPilot with just a tap on your keyboard or on the center of your Windows taskbar. As you see here, we're simplifying the experience. We're making it more personal. We're making it faster to get to what you want. We're also going to make it a flexible app experience, so you can resize it, you can snap it, or you can even maximize it and run it in full screen. And we're really excited to bring the latest technology from our partners at OpenAI to CoPilot. I'm delighted to share that GPT-4o with amazing text, voice, and vision capabilities will soon be available in CoPilot. Let's talk about these new experiences that are only possible on CoPilot PCs. Because of the 40 TOPS NPU and over 40 new on-device AI models, the PC can now process and reason over information in a way it has never been able to do before. It actually understands your context and your intent. In other words, the PC better adapts to you versus you having to adapt to it. Now, we know to achieve a real breakthrough with recall and AI, you have to be able to trust it with your data and your information. So we've built recall with responsible AI principles and aligned it with our standards. And we're taking a very conservative approach. We're going to keep your recall index private and local and secure on just the device. We won't use any of that information to train any AI models. And we put you completely in control with the ability to edit and delete anything that has been captured. Now, recall is just the first of several of the CoPilot PC architecture.
Windows has always believed in making technology accessible to everyone. Recall is a deceptively simple solution for navigating information on your PC. But there's a lot happening on the back end to make that possible. Let me show you. Recall is powered by state-of-the-art AI models, including several multimodal small language models, all running concurrently and built into Windows 11. These models understand many kinds of content, organizing a vast sea of information, including text, images, video, and these are deeply integrated into Windows, not simply bolted on. This allows the AI to efficiently access Windows components, like the graphics compositor that renders the user interface, so it only captures meaningful signals. All of this content is transformed and stored in a new Windows semantic index. The semantic index is a vector store built and stored entirely on your device. The core element of our re-architecture of Windows that Satya and Yusuf mentioned is the Windows CoPilot runtime. It is a powerful AI capability we've woven into every layer of Windows. The Windows CoPilot runtime includes more than 40 AI models, and it powers rich experiences like Recall. Windows CoPilot runtime also follows Microsoft's responsible AI principles. So Windows AI experiences are fair, safe, and trustworthy. We're partnering closely with AMD, Intel, and Qualcomm to make that leap with CoPilot PCs. Gigabytes of RAM, a minimum of 256 gigabytes of SSD storage, and an integrated neural processing unit, or an NPU. NPUs specialize in the matrix math needed for AI, and the NPUs on CoPilot PCs are the most powerful in the PC category. Capable of over 40 trillion operations per second, this is a step change in AI performance, allowing AI that is lightning fast and always working, even with multiple AI workloads running concurrently. These devices also stand out in security. By default, all CoPilot PCs are secure core PCs, hardened with Microsoft Pluton chip-to-cloud security. Today, we're debuting CoPilot PCs on the ARM architecture with the Snapdragon X series, and we were excited to partner with Qualcomm to design this entirely new chip together. And we rebuilt Windows 11 from the inside out for ARM. As a result, CoPilot PCs on Snapdragon X will deliver up to 15 hours of web browsing and up to 22 hours of local video playback. That is 20% more than the latest MacBook Air 15-inch. We're also introducing Prism, a new ARM emulator on Windows 11. Prism is as efficient as Rosetta 2. Combined with the performance of the silicon and the platform, every app runs great on CoPilot PCs.
Alongside our partners, we are incredibly excited to enter this new era of AI and show you what CoPilot PCs can do. Introducing the first ever CoPilot PCs from Surface, the all-new Surface Laptop and Surface Pro. They have been designed and engineered to be the ultimate CoPilot PCs. Surface Pro and Surface Laptop are made with the attention to detail, quality, craftsmanship that you've always expected on a Surface.
At Surface, customers are at the center of everything we do. And the new Surface Laptop was built for you. It's sleek, light, available in 13.8 and 15-inch displays, and now in 4 beautiful colors. Sapphire is my personal favorite. All of this while reducing the carbon emissions by 78% per enclosure. The new studio camera has been seamlessly incorporated into the bezels, no notch. And it delivers new Windows Studio effects like creative filters. Typing is quiet, comfortable, and intuitive, now enhanced with the CoPilot key and a precision haptic touchpad that's smooth, responsive, and customizable. Another new experience that's powered by the NPU and available across all CoPilot PCs is live captions, now with live translations. With this new feature, live captions will turn any audio that passes through your PC into a single, consistent captions experience in real time on your screen. We talked about how important speed and perf are to you. This new Pro is up to 90% faster than Surface Pro 9. We had designed Surface Pro to adapt with you, whether it's powering your multiple 4K monitors at the office or waiting for a ride from the airport. You stay connected with lightning-fast Wi-Fi 7 and optional 5G. And for the first time, we're introducing a new OLED with HDR display with a near infinite contrast ratio, so you can see every detail with deep blacks and brighter colors. The custom lens has incredible sharpness, accurate color capturing, and great low-light performance. And the rear-facing camera has support for 4K video, so you can capture and edit all on one device. We've revolutionized the 2-in-1 keyboard, now designed to be used both attached and detached, so you can position your Pro and keyboard where they suit you. The Surface Pro is perfectly complemented by this new keyboard and pen, and it's going to transform your creative workflows.
Today, we're releasing a feature called Co-Creator that will allow you to explore the full range of your imagination without sacrificing the integrity or intent of your original drawing.
As Pavan announced, we start today with Qualcomm and their incredible silicon innovation. Soon we're going to welcome AMD and Intel onto this general purpose platform. CoPilot Plus PCs will not only be the fastest PCs, but they're also going to be the most affordable, with up to $200 in savings versus the equivalent MacBook. Because the magic only happens when you can get your hands on one of these beautiful devices, I'm delighted to announce that pre-orders start today, and they're going to be available on June 18th.